Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete the Instagram bio link. So sometimes we might use a link on our bio to show people. So if we need to remove them, how can you do it? You just have to head over to your profile. And once you're there, you will be seeing you'll get to see your link that you have attached in your profile. So you have to head over to edit profile option. And once you're there, you'll find the option of links. Tap on links. And here you'll find the link. Tap on it. And here's the option of removing the link. Tap on remove link. And confirm it by tapping on remove again. And as you can see, the link is currently being removed. And the link from my bio has been removed. If I go back, and as you can see, the link is not there anymore. So yeah, this is how easy it was to remove links from bio of Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any question regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.